Hello, I'm Caitlin, and for activities 1's main question is, how is an object's motion affected by an interaction? By using a cart on a track, we observed motion. Every time the cart was interfered with, a hand touched it, the speed or direction was changed. And every time the cart wasn't touched, the speed or direction wasn't changed, it stayed constant. So we know for a fact that the interactions with the cart affected its motion. Here we see the graph of the cart being pushed. Now here I have a graph of the cart being pushed one time. As you can see, it doesn't go straight linear up and down. It slowly curves. I believe that when the cart is pushed, it gradually increases in speed as it's being pushed. And because nothing goes 0 to 60 instantly, that would not create a curve. I agree with Louisa, who thinks that the speed started by the push, but then continues to increase short moments after being pushed. Because if you look at the graph, I think the contact point is around here when it was pushed, because this is when it starts to increase. And as you can see, it continues to keep getting to its peak, and then it slowly declines. So it doesn't stay at the same speed once it's pushed. It continues to grow up. And I think the cart stopped when it did, because once it got that first push of kinetic energy, it eventually depleted, and then factors like friction started to play in and the cart stopped. Now I'm gonna pull up 4 charts of the cart being pushed in different ways. Here I have a graph of the cart being pushed in 4 different ways. 1 push, 2 pushes, a gentle back push after the first initial push, and then a strong back push after the first initial push. And with these, I think the contact point for the first push is around here, because that's when it starts to increase. For the gentle back push, I think it starts here and then here. For the 2 pushes, I think it starts around here and then around here, because that's when it starts to increase again. And for the strong back push, it starts here and then somewhere around here, it gets touched again. And those are the 4 charts for activity 1.